already formed when you arrived? And do you know the history of how it got started?
Yeah, a little bit. So I was pretty early on in the team. I'll try and do this quickly again. We don't got a lot. Originally, the team was based in our Sky campus in Osterley,
Hmm.
and some of the teams in Sky have moved north, so they're based out of Leeds now, where we are. Um, and they had these sort of siloed teams of system engineers and developers and stuff. And the whoever was the big boss back then said, "Look," he brought my old boss in and said, "Look, we don't want to do this anymore. He's causing too many problems. When you migrate the team over, you need to look at this SRE pattern from Google. This is the way you should be doing things." So this culture was settled on quite early. Like I say, I came in from a bit more of a testing background, doing some R&D and testing and automation and a little bit of performance. And my boss said, "We're going to do this SRE culture. You need to be a consultant. You've been a test consultant in the past. Should be a walk in the park for you." So the culture was being driven towards. It wasn't fully there yet, and yeah, once we hired the full team, once we got the security engineers, system engineers, performance engineers, we've started to drive that culture. Will I say we're 100% of the way there? Maybe not, but we are certainly a hell of a lot more SRE than it was when this team 3 years ago was based out of the other office. No offense to that team back in the day. I'm sure they had lots of difficult things to do, but yeah, we've had a culture change since then.